everybody, welcome to the Business Assist. Today we're going to talk about some quick tips how to make sure that you're paid as a contractor on time if you're a business owner. So Gail, what are your quick tips for businesses?
Excellent, thanks Bea. My 3 tips would be first to make sure you have a good solid written agreement that covers off what your payment terms are and what the requirements of both parties are. Too often we forget to do the written, we think just having a verbal handshake, but yeah, go written. Second one would be when things, if you fall into a situation where perhaps you're not being paid on time or there's something going wrong, it's really quick to try and think about going into email and going to writing. Go back and actually face-to-face have a conversation. You'll find it will smooth things out much better initially than having to jump to putting things in writing. And the third one would be, if there's an issue around not being paid, manage it the moment it happens, nip things in the bud. Often people try and go, okay, we'll just wait 2, 3, 4 days. No, get on top of it straight away and just keep at it rather than leaving it thinking that something will happen. Just make actions.
Awesome, thank you so much. Hope this makes your lives easier and good luck with running your businesses. We'll be back with more quick tips. See you.
Bye.